Yo, what is going on, everybody? I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a Sharpie vanish sort of type thing, and then a way to produce it. So it kind of looks like you're putting it inside your mouth, and then you kind of produce it again. So it's kind of interesting. Not the best thing to perform to people at this time we're in right now, but it is kind of fun to play around with. There are like angle issues, like it's pretty angly, if that's a word, but it's fun to practice, I guess. So anyways, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so here's what it's gonna look like. So it's gonna kind of look like I'm gonna put the Sharpie in my mouth, right? So and then produce it out of my mouth. So that's what it's going to look like. Let's get straight into the tutorial. Okay guys, so what you saw in the performance, if you don't already know what I'm doing, let's get into the tutorial. So it's, like I said, it's kind of weird. I mean, I don't think you would really ever play around with this, or not play around with it, but ever perform this like at a gig or something. But I don't know, it's just fun to play around with. I guess it's fun to mess around with and just practice in a mirror. It looks kind of funny. So anyways, basically how you're going to do it is you're going to be using the flip stick move like this. So you're going to be using that move but for this effect. So it's kind of interesting. So basically, if you don't already know the flip stick move, I'll leave a link in the description where you can learn that. I have a video on that teaching a vanish just like this and then producing it. So that is the flip stick vanish, or you can just go one of these. That was kind of bad, but you get the idea. So so basically what I'm doing is I'm actually pretending like I'm putting it in my mouth like this and just putting it right in, right? But I'm just doing this flip stick move so that when it looks like I put it in, it's just right here clipped onto my fingers. And then when I produce it, I can just put the corner on my mouth and then just kind of pull my hand once my teeth are on it. So if you're gonna do this trick, please wash your Sharpies when you're done with them. Or if you're doing one of those like up the nose tricks, which are also fun, but like I said, don't use that same Sharpie and give it to a spectator. Just sign a card without washing it first. Please don't do that. That's a bad idea. Anyways, so basically what's happening for this effect is you're basically like how you're gonna pull this off and make it look like it's actually going in your mouth is you're gonna put the Sharpie right here. As soon as you get like right here and your fingers are covering it so that the spectator from the front cannot see it, so like right here, so that your fingers are like right above them and it's kind of tilted down a bit so that the spectator looking right at there cannot see the Sharpie, so that when you come to put it in your mouth, you're just gonna do the flip stick move. So you're gonna come right here. As soon as you get up so that it's tilting down, you're gonna sort of open up your mouth, just kind of to sell it like that, and then you're just gonna simply like kind of move the Sharpie with your chin like this and put it and do the flip stick move kind of slowly. So like you kind of put it in like this and then do it, and then when you come away, when it's all the way down, you can come away touching your fingers to your lips to show it actually went in, even though it obviously didn't. And then you come away. I have a mirror right on the door and I can see it looks pretty good from my mirror. And so you're gonna put it in your mouth right there, just like that, have it taken out, and then maybe just kind of like chew on it or something. I don't know. Just, I don't know, or make your like cheeks wider so it looks like there's a Sharpie in your mouth. I don't know, you can play around with it like I said, But that's the basic move, is just doing the flipstick move kind of slowly, just like that. So again, you want to start doing the move when the Sharpie is when it's coming up into the mouth, and then it's coming up and then going down. So you want to wait till it comes all the way up, and then you can start doing the move and put it in your mouth. Then just like chew on it like I did in the performance, and then you can go ahead and produce it after chewing on it for a bit or something like that. What I would do is use both hands, because you don't want to just have one hand here and just be like holding it, because they're gonna be like, oh, it's in your hand, obviously, if they're not already thinking that. I mean, like I said, this isn't like a powerful effect or anything. It's just fun to play around with. Kind of like the finger thing that I showed in the previous video. I'll leave a link in the description for that as well, if you really want to learn that. So anyways, once you come up, then you're gonna start retracting it, come away from your mouth. You want to mirror your hands like this. You want to have like both hands kind of like this, so that it just kind of looks like you're just holding your hands right there. And then you chew it, and then you come over with this hand that actually has the Sharpie. What I would do is use these two fingers on the bottom to kind of hold it, while you put these two fingers out like this, with your thumb pressing these two, so that and then this pinky kind of just holds it up. So just like this. And then you're going to kind of come to your mouth, to the side of your mouth like this, so that this part of the Sharpie gets on the teeth right there. So you want it on the teeth, like kind of right here, right at the edge of your mouth. So once you've done the move and you come over like this, you're going to put it against your mouth, clamp down with your teeth like this, and then you can kind of use your whole hand and just reveal the Sharpie like this to the spectator. So you want to kind of be quick about that. You don't want to be like super fast, come away, but you want to just kind of go like this and then reveal it. And then obviously don't give it out for examination after it's been in your mouth. That's kind of gross. Anyways, so that is the video. I hope you guys liked it. Definitely, I would recommend playing around with this. It is kind of fun to do just in the mirror, even if you're never going to perform it. You know, there's all kinds of sleights that you're never going to use in performance, but you know, they're just fun to play around with and practice. Because if you just practice your everyday tricks all the time and don't really try hard things or try fun things that look kind of cool, but that aren't really practical, I don't know, it's just kind of fun. I mean, I don't know, if you're bored, you can just go ahead and do that, I guess. Unless you're really practicing for a show or something, then don't just start practicing random sleights. But, you know, I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, because a lot of you, most of you who watch my videos are not subscribed. So please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, so that you know when my videos come, so that you can watch them. And I will have some good videos coming, so definitely make sure that you watch those. So hit your subscribe button so that you'll be ready to see those videos. So anyways, that is the video. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to smash the like button. And anyways, I'll see you guys next time.